Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lachey. I would like to share a treat box that I made recently. I know everybody's going crazy for the Barbie stuff, so I figured I'd do something along those lines. This is a cut file from Silhouette Studio. I love using my Silhouette. It's so easy to use. And a couple of the pieces on the box I cut out with hole punches like the balloon. Um, the file only cuts out the box and this piece here, but like the circle and the 5. Now the silhouette, I cut the numbers out with the silhouette, but the circle behind it, you just have to get creative when you're decorating these boxes. And I figured we could put one together ourselves right now. I can show you how to put one together. I mean, let's see. I love treat boxes. I love making gifts for people. So we're going to try to do this one together. Figure I put one together on camera just to show you guys it can be done, and very easily. Please excuse me as far as the filming goes. I'm just learning how to do YouTube, period. I want to try to make more videos, but I'm not, like, I watch tutorials on how to film and all of that type of stuff, but it's not working out for me. I tried different ways. Everybody has different ways of telling you how to film stuff, but it wasn't working out for me. I tried different ways. So hopefully you all can see this. This glue is very runny, and I don't know why. It's tacky though. It's very tacky, but it's running. Thank God the box is white. I decided to do the white box this time, just for the video. You can see that there are perforated lines on this. This should not, I don't want to try to go too quickly because that glue is running. And I hope it's not going to come out on the side of the, I tried tear tape, but this outline is too thin, and there wasn't, the tape was too wide for this. So, and then I'm not good at editing, so this video might be a little long, so please bear with me. You can fast forward to the good part. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe, please, so that I can continue to do what I love, making videos, crafts, arts and crafts. I'm saying making videos, but I haven't made too many videos. Be careful with the placement on here. You want to try to get it not too close to that perforated line. That was a challenge for me. Make sure you have something to sop up some glue if you need to. I don't want that to show on the box. That's going to be ugly. I hope you all can see what I'm doing. I really meant for this to be up a little further. Watch your placement when you're doing this. It's not going to mess anything up. I just wanted it to be a little further up the frame. Okay, so you want to put the box together while it's flat. Some stuff, one thing I did put on here while it was already put together, I just figured it didn't have enough pizzazz for me. So the next thing I want to do is put the acetate on. The acetate is tricky though. Like, I don't know why I'm having such a problem with acetate. Now the tear tape works great with acetate. Glue, not so much for me. I know I saw someone else's video and she used glue and it worked out nicely for her. Not for me. where's my tape? So we're going to put some tape on this. Acetate doesn't really like glue, but I think she used cement glue, I think she said it was. This tape works fine for me. I think this piece is too long. Please make sure, guys, please make sure when you're making this box to get don't put the tape on the perforated lines, because that's going to be a problem. And then I didn't put enough tape on one side, and it was a disaster. So those are the first 2 boxes I made, but I made a lot of mistakes too. I made a lot of mistakes when I was putting that box together. And I hope this tape, I hope it's not too. I'm using angel tape. I got this from Amazon. I think it was like maybe $6. And then for the top piece, I'll just do this just to make it shorter, because you still have to go in and peel these pieces off, and that can be a problem too, trying to get the backing off. This is the part where I would edit it out, but I don't know how to edit. So you guys are getting raw footage. It is what it is. Okay, that one came off easily. And this one, I'm gonna put something right here. This really, I like this. It's not dotted though. I changed the cartridge, but it's the same brand though. So be careful with the acetate. Acetate likes to collect dust and fingerprints and all types of stuff. So, ooh, I did not line that up correctly. Can you pull it off? Okay, we'll just have to cut it, because see, and then I just put my hands on it. You don't want the box looking dirty, but I have to cut it at the top now. See, the tear tape works great. At least with the tear tape, you might be able to go in and remove it, but I don't know if you all can see that. See the perforated lines? You probably can't see it, but the acetate is overlapping it, and that's going to cause a problem. So I'm going to fold it this way, because acetate is invisible too. I mean, not invisible, but it's transparent. And I need to be careful not to cut my box, because I will be so sad. I still feel like it's going to be a problem, but see, this is what you get when you don't pre-record stuff, and I mean when you don't have editing skills. Wipe that off. Fix that. Let's see. Okay, so that worked out nicely. Okay, what do we want to do next? I like, see this box, see how the star is coming off the sides, and this one too. This one would be for an older girl, and this one would be, you know, what do you put in these? Because I've seen people make them larger than this, and you gotta figure, if you balling on a budget, you're gonna have to fill that box up. So okay, I'm looking at the placement on here, and I like it. I don't want it to be down this far. Do I? No, because I like when this part right here shows. I want some of the pink to show. So this tape is gangsta. I absolutely love this tape. I use it for all of my crafts. I do. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Okay, what's next? Sorry for the camera shaking. I'm not a pro at this. I'm really a novice when it comes to filming and stuff like that. I'll get into the swing of it though. What do we want to do? Do we want to put the 5 here by itself? Or do we want to put the 5 on the balloon? See, let's make it look a little different from that one. Okay, let's put the 5 on the balloon. But this tape, most times with this tape, once it's stuck, it's stuck. So you don't have to worry about that. I think I want that to go there because let's put some glue on this. This glue is a little runny. Why? I could have used tape, but I don't want to pull that up. What is that? It's a piece of tape stuck to the box. This is some really good tape. Okay, next. Where do we want the stars to go? I definitely want to use these. But these are going to hang off the box. I think I'm going to put those on once I finish the box. I know I want this one to go here. That's going to be cute. Okay, let's use tape for the sake of the video. Tape is fast. I want to say this is already tape. Okay, that's cute. How are we doing this? Okay. So, I'll definitely want to put the balloon there. Let's use some more tape. At least I know I can probably peel it off if the placement is off. But if you get tape on the acetate window, it's a problem. Okay, so this is already scored for us. Sorry for the long video, guys. Thank you for bearing with me. I promise I'm gonna get it together one day, or God's gonna send me some help. See, that's the side where the acetate was kind of bumping up against the... That didn't work out. This cut file is the bomb. So the box came a little larger than this, and I just shrunk it to this size and then shrunk it to this size. It was a little bigger than that, and then when I cut it out and put it together, I figured I didn't want it that big. So this goes on the inside of the box. And we want to use some tape on that too. This you have to gauge. You have to kind of... Now, one of the boxes has it on the inside. This one has it on the inside, and I wanted to see what it looked like without putting that in there. You can't really tell. I mean, it's cute, but if the treat box is filled up, who's going to be able to tell? So... Okay. Then we want to put some glue on this. You definitely want to do this step before you close the box. And look, I can see where the acetate is stopping it from lining up properly. See that? Oh, that's unfortunate. I hope that doesn't make the box lopsided. Cut your acetate properly, guys. Don't be like me. Now, if I was making these for somebody's party or something, I did this just for entertainment purposes for myself, because I love making stuff, just to see if I could do it. So I took it to work and they freaked out. I had 2 different people ask me if I could make some for them. I really didn't do it for that purpose. I just like to show people, you know, I don't want to waste the creativity. But let's do this. Kind of fool it. into thinking we did it right. Okay. And then be careful, because white boxes, then you're dealing with acetate. You have your fingerprints all over it. I made a mistake and got some glue on this one. It took me a while to get it off, but it was already put together. I was not about to waste a cute box. So, okay. All right. I used tape with this the other time and it did not go well. So now we're gonna let that dry, but let's put the stars on. Now, how do I want to do this? Do I want to go there with it? No. We'll put that one in the middle. We'll put that one there, this one in the middle, and this one down here. And then put the box together and we'll be done. Like I said, this is a silhouette file. It's called Doll Box, I believe. If it's not, I'll look to see what the file is actually called and put it in the comments. I use my silhouette a lot. Okay. And remember, that tape is on the acetate now, so it's not, the acetate does not like to release stuff. Is that cute? No, I don't like that. Yes, we like that. That's cute. Tape. I think this star was a sticker, but I had this glitter paper so long. Like, all the paper I got from Michael's, and probably had this, I just had it in my stash. Just about everything I'm using I had in my stash. Okay. And everybody has white cardstock. If you've been crafting for any number of years, you should have some white cardstock. So white cardstock is primary. Okay, that worked out. Oh, it's cute. I love it. That's very cute. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. And please like, comment, and subscribe. It would help me out a great deal. God bless you.